What is weathering? Weathering is a exogenetic force which is responsible for changing the face of the earth. Weather and erosion, which together are known as denudation, are the forces involved in the process of earth gradation. Gradation of the process of leveling of the earth takes place through degradation and aggradation. Now, degradation is the lowering of the earth's surface through weathering and removal of the weather material. Aggradation, on the other hand, is the process by which level of the land surface is raised through the depositions of the eroded material. Weathering can be defined as the disintegration and decomposition of the rock. It is caused by the various natural agents like heat, water, plant, and even human beings. Fact: Earthworm William Morse Davis was an American geographer who first proposed a model to explain the erosion of landforms in 1900. Types of weathering. Weathering is the three types: mechanical weathering, chemical weathering, biological weathering. The weathering, physical, chemical or biological, takes place in the variety of waste. Mechanical weathering. Mechanical weathering involves the disintegration or breaking up of the rocks. There is a change in physical property of the rocks, but no chemical changes takes place. Process of mechanical weathering. Due to temperature changes, the rocks are composed of minerals which had different way of heating and cooling. During day, the temperature were high and expansion of rocks takes place. During the night, the temperature fall and contraction of the rocks takes place. As per rate, the contractions or expansion of the minerals of which the rock is composed is different at various temperature. The rocks break up into blocks or as crests depending on the rock's structure. The rocks may also disintegrate through the filling of the outer rocks, through the outer layer of rocks. Due to the combined effect of the temperature and the wind, the outer layer by contraction and expansion of the rock is removed, as there is a great difference between the night and day temperature in the desert area. Such type of weathering due to temperature changes is the common in the hot desert. Due to the frost action, sometimes water get collected in the cracks in the rocks. When the temperature is low, this water freezes and expand and cracks the rocks, but when the temperature is high, the volume of water is reduced due to melting of ice. Freezing water has increased volume that exert pressure on the rock and void in the cracks. This pressure is released when the ice melt. continuous action causes the disintegration of the rocks. Such weathering is common in the cool and temperature climate region. Now, chemical weathering. What is chemical weathering? Chemical weathering result in the decay and decomposition of the rocks, which involve the changes in both the physical as well as chemical properties of the rocks. Process of chemical weathering, it is mainly carried out by chemical reaction of the minerals of the rocks, mainly with the water in the atmosphere. This water of combined with the various gases present in the atmosphere. Oxidation is the process of reaction of the atmospheric oxygen with minerals or the rocks, especially the rock containing iron. It takes place when the atmospheric oxygen dissolved in rainwater react with rock to form oxides. The rusting of the rock result in the beginning and the breaking up. This is the example of oxidation. Now, carbonation occur when atmospheric carbon dioxide dissolved in rainwater react with the rock. This phenomena can be easily seen in the limestone region, where the carbon dioxide react with calcium to form calcium carbonate and calcium bicarbonate. Hydration takes place when the water is absorbed by the rock. The rocks absorb water and increase in volume. This change the minerals content of the rock, which disintegrate ultimately. Now next one, biological weathering. Biological weathering is the result in the action of plant, animals and human beings, as well as it causes both the disintegration and decomposition of the rocks. Process of biological weathering. Biological weathering is caused due to the action of plant, animals and human being. By plant, the root of the plant and tree penetrate deep below the earth's surface. They sometimes reach the cracks into the rocks and widen the cracks, leading to physical disintegration of the rocks. By animals. Burrowing animals dig hole or burrow and tunnel below the earth's surface, and this result in the gradual disintegration of the rocks. By human being, the mining activity for extraction of minerals, blasting of hill for making road and tunnel and other activity result in physical disintegration of rocks and increase the rate of weathering of rocks. Effect of weathering. The following are the effects of weathering: creation of rock waste due to breaking of rocks, lowering and leveling of the land surface as a result of weathering, erosion and deposition, modification in the shape of the land, soil and its formation. Weathering result in the changing of the earth's surface The most important effect of the weathering is soil formation. Soil is the powder form of rocks which is useful for the growth of the plant and thus the survival of human life. Large rocks masses are disintegrated into rock fragments which are further weathered to form subsoil and finally soil that is made up of weathered rock material and decomposed organic matter called humus. Soil profile. What is soil profile? The vertical reaction of the soil showing its different layer are known as soil profile. The different profile of soil such as topsoil, subsoil, parent rock and bedrock. A horizon. Topsoil, the uppermost layer of the earth, is known as a horizon or the topsoil. The major content of this section is humus. This makes it generally blackish ground in color. The topsoil is soft and porous. It had a good water retaining capacity. It is a habitat of many tiny organisms. B horizon, which is subsoil, being the second layer from the soil. It is relatively harder and compact. It is generally light red or grey in color. It is lastly contain stone and sand particles that makes it unfit for the plant. The organic matter is left that makes it less fertile. C horizon, parent rock. This is the region below the subsoil. It is the lowermost layer of the soil. There is no organic matter in the layer. It contains parent material through which the soil is formed by the weathering process. These regions are hard and cannot easily dug. This layer store water over it and make the water table this layer. This layer is also called substratum. Soil that is formed from it is called residual soil. This layer of the soil is infertile. R horizon. Below the C horizon is the layer of hard rocks called bedrock or R horizon. Water cannot penetrate through the bedrock. Soil erosion. The topsoil can be carried away easily by wind and washed away by flowing water. This process is carrying away of topsoil by natural process like water and wind is called soil erosion. Now the last one, causes of soil erosion. The various causes of soil erosion are given below. Overgrazing by animals, large scale of cutting the trees, deforestation, improper farming practices, heavy rains or floods, forest fire. Method of soil conservation. Protection of soil from getting destroyed so that it can be used in future is known as soil conservation. Some of the methods to prevent the soil from erosion and fertility erosion are given alongside. Growing tree in a large size is afforestation. So next class we will discuss answer question. Thank you.